latest iPhone 14 Pro Max is the fact that it is 1 terabyte, baby. He believes in me more than I believe in myself. This subscriber of mine made me open a PayPal account. What? If you've been watching my vlogs, you'll understand why. Oh no. What? Hey guys, how you doing? I am back again and you are back again, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm starting this vlog and I'm trying to be happy because I have been so, I will say angry, sad, irritated since yesterday at work. Nigerians, my fellow Nigerians, ganged up against me at work, and one Ghanaian, Igbo people and one Yoruba. Every other person there were Igbos, one Yoruba and one Ghanaian. My own brothers and sisters, like, then do us. Did they curse us? Like, I've been so, I don't know, somehow. And you know, my subscriber sent me a gift and I'm like, okay, let me just, you know, I like gifts. So let me unbox the gift and just maybe that would lighten up my mood. You know, this gift was sent like maybe 3 days ago, but I have been so busy and I wanted to do an unboxing, you know. It's in a nylon, it's right here. It's in a nylon like this. I cannot turn it around because of my address and all of that. So I'm just going to unbox this. I'm just looking for the right place to put this camera whilst we unbox and go on with this vlog, you guys. I hope this is I hope the lighting is good here. I'm usually like very, how can I say, like I'm always like ginger to open up gifts. But this is the first time in my life that I have even been chilled because I've been very busy. On Saturday when this gift came, I was not even around. I was at work, I slept out. Sunday, I was at work, you know, and then now, okay. This is me unboxing the gift. Oh, what? What? Guys. Oh no, I can't. Ah! 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 Oh no! Oh my god! Guys, look at this. Look at this. You guys, look at this. I can't. You guys, look at this. You guys, look at this. You people, look at this. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Goodness me. I'm coming. I'll be back. I just need to chill. Okay, I'm back for real. I'm back for real. Like, if you've been watching my vlogs, you will understand why. You would understand what this means to me. I have said it time and again, like just in passing, that, oh, I need a new phone. Whenever I'm vlogging and maybe it's night, it's not giving me what I want because I cannot carry my camera out every single time. There are times I'm vlogging on my phone and I would just say, oh, I need to get a new phone. Like, I just used to say this thing all the time in passing. I've never looked. I'm just like, okay, I will look for a phone, but I've like, you guys. Hey, this subscriber of mine, I can't deal. This man is a huge blessing to me because, like, in case you're watching this, you are one of the reasons why I don't give up on myself on YouTube, because it's not even about the gifts. Like when I was in Nigeria, I have done a video about this subscriber of mine before. When I went to Ghana, this man sent me money And that was how I was able to go to Ghana. Like, this is somebody that would always like criticize me, tell me to take down some videos, you know, somebody that believes in me. Like I tell him that he believes in me more than I believe in myself. This subscriber of mine made me open a PayPal account, and he will be on my neck, like, put the PayPal on your description box. There are other subscribers like myself that might want to show some support, gift you things, and I never get to do it. Like, I'm stubborn. You guys, do you know what is sweet about this phone? It's not just the fact that it's the 14 Pro Max. It's not just the fact that it's the iPhone, the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's the fact that it is 1 terabyte, baby. Our vlogs. Hey God, we are upgrading. Like, I can't hold my joy. I can't. If you are watching, start typing. Be happy for me. Be happy for me. And to reach you, please start typing thank you to this subscriber. Just please. This is huge. It is so beautiful. Like, I don't even know what the iPhone 14 looks like. I don't even look at iPhones. I stopped using iPhone in 20. Look at the way I'm sweating. Oh no, I was cold actually. Like, I'm literally sweating. I stopped in 2014 when I went to Ghana, when I got back from Ghana, because in 2019, I apologize, because, you know, I couldn't keep up. I didn't like, my phone had like good memory space, but it was never enough. I'm sweating, forgive me. The memory space was never enough. And I was like, I can't, I need a phone that has, oh my God. I need a phone, I didn't even finish unboxing the thing. Oh, this is a screen protector and a case. I just came back and I'm like, I can't cope. My phone is always full. I need space. I needed a phone that I could, you know, and I would have enough memory or put memory card or something. And that was how I left. Before, I used to say I cannot use any other phone apart from iPhone. And that's how I left iPhone. And every year they'll bring out new iPhone. I'll say, when I get power, big, I'm done. But no, I am not done, baby. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. We're back. You guys, okay. I need to chill. I'll see you guys when I have power, because I can't. I'm sorry, I just can't film. I can't. God. For people like me that do not know what the latest iPhone looks like, this is what it is. I think it is beautiful. I was shocked that it came with just the cord and not the charger head. They sell the charger head separately. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. I've not had an iPhone since like 3 years, like I said. And this made me so happy because I was really not in a good mood when I started this vlog. It was supposed to be a vlog, but it ended up being an unboxing video, and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Like, I can't believe, like, just in a second from being not so happy to being overly excited. Look at this beauty. Our vlogs are about to skyrocket to the next level, yo. Wow. If you have watched up until this point, thank you so much. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Do not leave without giving this video a huge thumbs up. And if you think you need to be a part of this family, then smash the subscribe button, all right? Hello. All right, guys, I'm going to see you in the next one, all right? Please finish up the video. See you next time. Bye.